So, good morning students. Today we are going to see questions related to parallelogram in exercise 18.1. Page number 293 and 94. So, what is a parallelogram? In a parallelogram, two sides, the opposite sides are parallel and slant, and this will be the height. This is the base and this is the height. So we will start with question number 3 of exercise 18.1. So today we will be doing question number 3 and question number 5. So now I'm reading the question. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. If the distance between two longer sides is 12 centimeter, find the distance between shorter sides. So adjacent sides means sides next to each other. So the two sides are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter, and we do not know the distance between the two longer sides, but we do know the distance between the two shorter sides. So this is the perpendicular and this distance is 12 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the distance between the shorter sides. Okay, so this is 12 centimeter. So we have to find the distance between the shorter sides. So this is 18 centimeter. And this is also 24 centimeter. Okay, so I am naming this parallelogram as A, B, C, D, and this point as E and F. So we have the measurement of AE, but we do not have the measurement of CF. So we have to find the measurement of CF. So AB, given AB equal to DC equal to 24 centimeter, AD equal to BC equal to 18 centimeter, AE equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find CF. Okay, so if we consider this as the perpendicular, so this will be the base, and if we take this as the base, then this will be the perpendicular. So we have the base, we have the height. So the area will be same in both the cases. So let the base be 24 centimeter and the height be 12 centimeter. So the area will be area of parallelogram will be equal to base into height. So the base is 24 and the height is 12. So what is the final answer? 288 centimeter square. If the base is 18 centimeter, so height will be equal to CF, right? So area will be equal to base into height. So the base in this case is 18 and the height is CF, and the area is equal to 288, right? Now CF equal to 288 divided by 18, and CF is equal to 16 centimeters. Therefore, the distance between the two shorter sides, the shortest distance is the perpendicular, and the distance will be equal to 16 centimeter. You need to write the last statement as I have pronounced right now. Now, question number 5. It says, a flooring tile has a shape of a parallelogram whose base is 18 centimeter and the corresponding height is 6 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 540 meters square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. So the condition is given over here and the tile is in the shape of a parallelogram. So I have drawn a rough figure over here. The height is 6 centimeter and the base is 18 centimeter. Let this be A, B, C, D. So for parallelogram shaped tile, the dimensions are base equal to 18 centimeter and height equal to 6 centimeter. So the area of one tile, will be equal to base into height. So this will be 18 into 6 equal to 108 centimeter square. So this is the area of one tile, and the area of floor is also given 540 meters square. So area of floor equal to 540 meters square. Now you have to find the number of tiles. So this is in centimeter square, this is in meter square. So I am converting this into centimeter square. So 540 into 100 into 100 centimeter square. You can calculate it finally also and put the value like this also. Now number of tiles equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile, that is 540 into 100 into 100 divided by 108, that is the area of one tile, and the final answer is 50,000 tiles. So this was question number 5. So today we have seen 2 questions related to area of parallelogram. Kindly keep these formulas noted down and do these questions very carefully. Read the questions carefully first so that you can understand what do you need to find and what is the given information. Thank you and have a good day.